Leader of the opposition and former Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has criticized his party colleague and Mandi MP Kangana Ranaut, questioning her concern for the region. He says, what's the point in speaking to someone who has no concern? In response, Kangana Ranaut tweeted that she had spoken to Jairam Thakur. According to her, he advised her against visiting immediately due to a red alert, damaged roads and unstable conditions. I meant Jairam Thakur, of course, not Jairam Ramesh, suggesting she should come later when the situation improves.
मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि कंगना रनौत जी जल्दी जयराम जी से बात करिए। उनको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है और सच्चाई उतारे है। और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बताया, कल मेरी डीसी से बात हुई, जो रोपवे चल रहा है उसमें कोई पैसा वहाँ से आने वाले और सामान ढोने के लिए नहीं लिया जा रहा। सभी ईएनसी वहाँ बैठा हुआ है, आपके सब अधिकारी वहाँ बैठे हुए। इस समय राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए उन्हें भी।
Gurpreet is live with me for more on this. Gurpreet, an unusual fight breaking out between a former Chief Minister and the serving local MP from Mandi over the flood situation following the cloudburst.
Well, yes, we have seen the Member Parliament, Kangana Ranaut. She is not being targeted by the Congress party and the opposition party. She was also targeted by the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, because she was absent during this critical time. We have seen Mandi district is the worst affected during this flash floods and the cloudburst, and we have seen multiple deaths had been reported, but she was unable to travel that her own constituency. What we have learned, Jairam Thakur, the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, he has raised a multiple question over her absence, and after that we have seen she has also reacted and tweeted saying that it was only the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, has advised her not to visit because a red alert has been issued in this this district Mandi, and she was not able to travel in her own constituency. But now we have seen there is a new turn in this ongoing political controversy within the same party. We have seen the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, he has also entered into this political controversy and advised Kangana Ranaut to meet immediately and respond to Jairam Thakur so that he should be pacified. But he says at this point of time, the way this is the critical time, no politics should be played, whether it's from the opposition party or from the ruling party. So let's see that how Kangana Ranaut is going to respond to Jairam Thakur and the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu. We have to wait and watch for it. Back to studio.
Gurpreet, thanks very much for joining us with that update. We're trying to get in touch with both Jairam Thakur as well as Kangana Ranaut. We'll update you on this war of words.